Hello folks! For the next video in our series, we are going to talk about creating natural minor scales. So creating natural minor scales, I'm going to write up our normal scale. We have our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then our last scale degree, 1 and 8 are the same. And if you're starting from a major scale, the differences between a major scale and the minor scale, the natural minor scale, so I'm going to put N minor, the 1 will be the same, 2 will be the same. We're going to lower the third scale degree, 4, 5, 6 will be lowered, and 7 will be lowered. And then 8 will stay the same. So let's look at what that looks like in practice. Let's take a major like, how about C? Just regular old C major. We're going to go C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. No sharps, no flats. Now, that is just regular old garden variety C major. Now we're going to make C natural minor by doing exactly what we said. We're going to take C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. And now we're going to lower the third scale degree, the sixth scale degree, and the seventh scale degree. So if we have E and we need to make it a half step lower, we need to add a flat, then A to A flat, and B to B flat. And that is how we get our natural minor scale. That's also how we get our minor key signatures. So again, when we're writing a scale, a natural minor scale, that is going to give us the C minor key signature. So we know every time we have C minor, we're going to see B flat, E flat, and A flat. So when you're attempting to identify key signatures in minor, you can also write out the natural minor scale to help you determine. So that is how you create a natural minor scale from a major scale. Now, some of y'all might prefer to change the whole steps and half steps around because that might work better for you. So let's look at the whole step and half step makeup of a natural minor scale. We have C to D, that is a whole step. Then we have a half step between D and E flat. E flat to F is a whole step. F to G is a whole step. G to A is a half step. A flat to B flat is and I'm sorry, I misspoke. G to A flat is a half step, I'm sorry. And then A flat to B flat is a whole step. And then B flat to C is a whole step. So if you prefer to think about constructing a minor scale from its whole and half steps, you have a pattern of whole, half, whole, whole, half, whole, whole. That might be the way that unlocks it for your brain. I know some of us prefer to think of what scale degrees are actually lowered. And if you're a solfege friend, we have do, re, may instead of mi, fa, so, lay, te, and do. So those are the solfege syllables of our natural minor scale. So that is how you might create them. That is how you could create a natural minor scale. Hope that helps.